back again. Found our big red friend, Wade.
Howdy.
You just killed him 70
Yanks.
70 Yanks.
It was a good killing day.
Wade, did you scalp him?
Oh, yes.
Those eyes speak the truth, people.
Hairs from all different kinds of people. They weren't just whites. They were all races.
Alright, Wade.
All races.
Look at that. UGA. Not Tennessee. What's that, Liberty? She's talking. Look.
What do you have to say, Libby?
You want some tobacco?
Get this shot right here. Look at that. Countryside in the background.
Wade!
That's a good lighting. That's probably that out.
It's beautiful. Hey, girl.
I seen me some Copenhagen now. Hey, go in my truck and get my glove box and get my can of Copenhagen out.
Yes, master.
He's going to do it.
Please.
He's going to get that
Dude.
Copenhagen. He's going to get it right now.
Do it for you.
Starting to get dark outside. Getting ready
June
to
2nd,
set up camp.
65 degrees out here.
Got me some rabbits from yesterday hunting.
June
Cooked them boys
2nd,
up.
June 2nd, 1863.
Gonna kill me some rabbits from them traps. Cook them up, have a good dinner.
Until next time.
Boys of the South. And the big red one.
Confederacy.